The infrared Air Jordan 4 releases on June 15th. Retail is $200 on the men's pairs and $160 on the grade school pairs. I got them in early from GOAT. Let's get into these straight fire Air Jordan 4s. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size because I'm gonna give away the infrared Air Jordan 4. Here's the winner of the mochas. Congrats, brother. He was very excited to get the mochas. He did not want to be on camera. I tried, but shout out to you, brother, for winning the mocha ones. I'm gonna get those sent out to you. And we're gonna run another Air Jordan giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let's get into this straight fire unboxing. I had to buy the Jordan 4 infrared early to show you guys here on the channel because this sneaker is fire in my opinion. I've been waiting for this release and got them from GOAT. They do release on June 15th. They will sell out. It's a Jordan 4. They will have resale value. We'll talk about that. I did buy a grade school pair. I will be giving away the Jordan 4 infrared. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the infrared Air Jordan 4. Wow, the Air Jordan 4 infrared is fire, straight fire. And I must say, unexpected problem. I didn't think that these were gonna be a problem, to be honest. I didn't think people really cared that much because back when the green glow Air Jordan 4 released, sure, they sold out, had a little bit of hype, but they weren't too crazy. Years later, of course, now they are. Now they give us the infrared Air Jordan 4, where we have the green glow hits, you now have infrared hits. I do like the green glow. It wasn't a must-have, but I do like the infrared a little bit better than the green glow Air Jordan 4. I think these are fire. You do have the Durabuck upper in gray and then a lighter gray around the toe. Infrared hits. Your infrared Jumpman really pops. Jumpman on the back in a lighter shade of gray, very nice. Wow, that's a bright outsole. You do have the infrared hits. Your infrared Jumpman, gray and white. Very dope Air Jordan 4. This bottom is gonna get very dirty very easily because it is a white bottom. So I highly recommend putting drip grip sole protectors on the bottom of your sneakers to keep the bottom fresh, keep the bottoms in good condition even when you wear the sneakers. Make sure you guys check out drip grip sole protectors. The link is down below. Danny10 is gonna give you 10% off your entire order. I definitely would wear the infrared 4s. I think these are absolutely fire, straight fire, and I cannot wait for one of you guys to get your hands on these for completely free from me. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 infrared. There are glue marks on this pair like crazy, to be honest with you, so watch out. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot of quality control issues. Yeah, there's definitely glue marks. Watch out for that. It's been like that on a lot of Jordan 4s lately. Resale on the Jordan 4 infrared. Retail on the men's is $200. I do see them going for probably around $300-ish on release day. I do think they will drop, to be honest, to probably mid 200s and then climb their way up. I think that's what's gonna happen with these. It will take some time. It is a good hold, but I definitely think it'll take some time. I don't think it's so much of a quick hold like the military black Jordan 4s are. I think that's a better hold. Let's talk about grade school, because I think grade school is honestly the better hold when it comes to the infrared Jordan 4. Retail's $160. Resale's already at around $200. They haven't even released yet, which means resale is gonna be not much over retail. I definitely think grade school is easily gonna hit $250, $260 over time. I definitely think these are a better hold. The grade school pairs, cheaper investment, but yes, definitely a good hold nonetheless in men's and grade school. This is a money-making shoe. This is gonna have a lot of hype, a lot of demand. The Air Jordan 4 has become the new Air Jordan 1, if you ask me. Jordan 1s lately have been going for retail or under retail. Jordan 4s, man, the resale is like $80 to $100 every time over retail on the men's pairs. And then grade school, you know, you're still making decent profit as well. At first, I didn't expect these to be a problem. I saw online pics and thought, hey, people are gonna think they're the green glow and, you know, they may not be a problem. But guys, over time, the Jordan 4 has really got more hyped, and I really see them being a problem on release day. The Jordan 4 infrared is definitely gonna sell out, have some resale value, and I definitely think they're a solid hold. I think if you have pairs on release day, sell them. buy back in at a later time, you know, a few weeks down the road, and I definitely see them going back up. Make sure you guys cop the infrared Air Jordan 4 before it's too late, because these are definitely fire. Straight fire. Good luck on release date. Let me know down below in the comments if you plan on copping the Air Jordan 4 infrared. Are they a must-have? Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I think these are fire, straight fire, and better, in my opinion, of course, than the Green Glow Air Jordan 4. But I do not think that these are better than the military black Jordan 4s. I think those are a better hold. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a video talking about grade school military black Air Jordan 4s. They're a really good hold. Free Air Jordan 4 infrared giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the infrared Air Jordan 4. This giveaway ends at the end of June, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Jordan 4 infrared. Let me know if these are fire, straight fire, or are they trash? I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Good luck on release day for the Jordan 4 infrared. These are an unexpected problem. I wasn't expecting it, but now having them in hand, these are definitely going to be a problem. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.